Hey guys, welcome back. So you saw our issues with the diesel heater back on our video with Adam Cheyenne when we went winter camping. The diesel heater that didn't show up, showed up. I guess it's the easiest way to say it, but beat up. I don't know what happened to it. It was, you can look at this right here, like it's like dented right in, and yeah, it's lived a hard life, apparently. So I'm just opening it up to check it out because I tried to tighten this and yeah, it won't tighten. So I have to open it up, which is, so this new heater actually is all screwed together, not just clipped like it was in the other ones. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out. I'm going to open it up, see if I can tighten this stuff down, and then yeah, I'll let you guys know what's going on. I think something just fell. It totally did. That's crazy. So it must have been the screw on the inside. Yeah, I saw it. Well, what do I say about that? It just fell apart in front of the whole camera.
This unit is an enigma.
Yeah, it didn't show up, and then when it showed up, it showed up broken.
Battered.
And battered and everything else. So I am going to, all I want to do is tighten that, and then it's turned into this. It's just amazing. Thank you, Vevor, for helping with that.
We'll find out
once it's opened. We'll see. All right, so we'll take this off, pull this up. The inside looks okay. I've got to find a nut or something that's on the inside of that. We shall see. I don't see anything down there. Fuel pump looks okay. This line should be changed with, I think one of our subscribers talked about that, right? Changing to the rubber fuel line. So this unit is, you might notice it's actually a lot smaller, and it really only has enough fuel for like one night. But for camping purposes, we're fine with that. It's just, it's easier to camp. We have the deck system, we have a low rack that holds our tent, and it's just easier for packing. So if we have to fill it up every day, it is what it is, but it makes our life a little easier as far as packing. The tall Vevor is probably about that high, really. By the time you get the handles on there, I would think.
It was tall.
Yeah, so it just makes it easier. As far as where this nut went though, I freaking have no idea. I know it's gotta be down there because it went from holding something to not holding anything. Is there one over there?
There's one on the other side, yeah.
Yeah. I gotta find that. Oh, even that one's loose. I gotta find that.
All right, I'll help you look.
All right. All right.
You found the nut.
Joanne helped me find it. So now I'll put this underneath. I don't think I've ever seen a Vevor that didn't need something. You know what I mean?
Well, who knows what this one's been through.
Yeah, no, this one, its box was like ridiculous. Like, if we wouldn't have got this essentially, well, not essentially, if we wouldn't have got it for free, I would have totally sent it back.
Well, the funny thing is the delivery guy handed it to me upside down so I wouldn't see the damaged top.
Yeah, I wasn't there for that, so, but everything else in here kind of looks okay. I guess we can just hope it
Starts?
yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Well, I'd just say if we ever had to do an on-the-spot quick repair, it wouldn't be that quick.
No, like I don't know why they went from 4 clips to this.
It looks like
Like I had to take out
a dozen?
Yeah.
No, maybe not quite.
Joanne got this because it matches. She's one for matching. The black and green theme continues.
put it back together.
Now I'm gonna put it back together, and then I'll probably put on some of the exhaust parts, blah blah blah. Maybe it's nice out, so maybe we'll test it. Okay, so we did get new parts, obviously. The new air intake, exhaust, but I think we'll use our old exhaust. I think is what we're gonna do. I like how our exhaust is like away from the air intake. See, this is so much different than the other one because it's like, okay, where do you is it maybe here for the air exhaust? I guess so. Come out through here, come up, and then maybe attach to that one.
Sure.
I would think. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. That one will do it.
Okay.
With the intake, you want to make sure it's got the most fresh air as possible. To be honest, I don't like screwing around that kind of stuff. No. So this one will not hook into the side. This side maybe? I guess. Must be.
Crazy.
Yeah, this is kind of different, to be honest.
It definitely came with no instructions.
Well, no, it never does. Actually, did you ever see some of the ones that people post on there when they actually translate the instructions? It's actually pretty fun. All right, crisscross. Oof.
I'll give you a second.
Yeah, this is gonna be something. Give me a few minutes. All right.
That was a challenge.
Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get, to be honest. Whew. So now, should we see if it works?
Yep.
Let's see.
Get a jackery.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
get a jackery. Okay, so we will put these on the chairs that are covered in these. Fill it up with diesel. Now, do you remember how to prime it? I don't. I'm not even kidding. I think you have to hold the two buttons or something, no? Actually, you gotta power it up first.
I don't recall. Does it have life?
Well, it's got power.
All we can hope for.
I don't know. I think these two, I think. Nope, apparently not.
We might have to look it up.
Nope, it's doing its warm-up time.
Oh,
So, let's see what happens.
all right. We'll catch you in a few.
Still doing its thing.
Must be that slow start everybody's talking about.
Yeah.
That we've never experienced before.
I remember when Adam said that to me. He was like, yeah, he goes, mine takes a long time. I've never had that.
No.
Ours has always just been boom.
We must have had one of the gooders.
I think that's just, yeah, I'm starting to think it's a Vevor thing.
Yeah. She going?
Yeah, I think so. I can hear a fire.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I hear it.
Yeah, there it goes.
Now she's kicking up good.
Woo.
I can smell it. And the bonus, she'll match.
Yeah. Oh, I was like, it's free. You're like, it'll match.
It's alive!
So it's running. It feels good. I guess the true test will be when we use it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I kind of feel like other one's hotter, but at the same time, maybe not. You know what I mean? Maybe it's just different conditions, different. We're outside. We don't have it on the hose.
It's
Everything
not going
else.
into a confined space.
Yeah, it's not going to a confined space. It's pumping out good heat though. So for a completely beat up yet free diesel heater, it's doing well. I think that's just my opinion.
So hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll be able to put her to the test.
Yeah. No, so we'll see. It all seems to be working well. As far as a free diesel heater, wait, complain about it, to be honest.
Exactly.
It's pumping heat more than our other one was, so that's a win, right? Yeah. No.
And we definitely keep you all informed.
Yeah, we'll definitely keep you guys updated as it goes.
All right.
All right. See you guys. So guys, at the end of the day, after everything is said and done, these Chinese diesel heaters definitely have a place in our life, and we're just not willing to spend the money on the really high-end ones. So this one is getting the FLM stamp of approval.
Does look good.
Till next time, guys, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments.